I am Anushka Methanani, and in case you didn't know, I love coffee. So let's go around the coffee capital of Australia, Melbourne, and try some of the best coffee here. Day one, here we go. So we're here at Mr. Summit in South Bank, in the heart of the city, and the story is actually pretty interesting. It's three friends who started this cafe 2 years ago, and they wanted a place that was just really comfortable and really welcoming to a lot of people. And these three coffee enthusiasts actually have traveled the world far and wide to try coffees from everywhere, and they started this cafe. And it's also really cool because this place turns into a bar at night, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. It's also voted the best coffee in South Bank, so let's try and see how it is. Taste test, here we go. That is some good coffee, dude. This coffee is really good. The texture is so smooth and it's not an overkill. The beans don't seem burnt. It's overall just amazing. I know this is the first coffee shop, but I'm gonna give this a 10 on 10. The staff here are so friendly and they've given us a Mr. Summit special to try, and this is a single origin Ethiopian blend. And it's got sweet notes, fruity notes like blueberry, strawberry, and like a red fruit medley. I'm actually going to get Abhi to try this because black coffee is really not my thing.
Whoa, yeah, you are right. The coffee is very smooth here. Even though it's black coffee, obviously no milk, no sugar, it's not harsh. You can actually taste the bitterness of the coffee, which makes you kind of like it. Otherwise, black coffee is not only bitter, it's also bitter and harsh. And yeah, definitely getting some like fruitiness to it. Very soft, it's very subtle, but it's very definitely different from anything I've had before. So must try. And yeah, definitely come down here, guys. And Anushka has a surprise for you coming in the next clip.
We were just about to leave this amazing coffee shop. Tony approached us and gave us a surprise. For our viewers, we have a special discount code TMS50 that you can use to get 50% off your coffee order. All you have to do is scan the QR code that's outside your door or the one that are linked down below, and you can get 50% off your order. Hurry, because it's only valid for 10 coffees. Go, go, go! Okay, Monday was off to a really good start. It's going to be really difficult to top this 10 on 10 coffee. But let's see what Tuesday has in store for us. Welcome to day 2 of trying coffee shops around Melbourne. Today we're going to a hidden spot just near Albert Park, Kettle Black. Let's go. So today we're at quite a famous cafe in Melbourne. It's called the Kettle Black and it's here on Albert Road in South Melbourne. And it's actually known for its state-of-the-art architecture and modern design. And this terrace that you see behind me, it's actually from the 1880s and it's a heritage listed site. The coffee that I'm about to try is a specialty Darling blend, and it's got beans that's come from all around the world. And it's actually very popular because of the beans that they use in this coffee, and it's also it's kind of a hybrid cafe restaurant, so the brunch and the dishes that they serve throughout the day are also insanely good. Okay, first sip, here we go. I'm so excited to try this coffee. Wow, okay, it's got a very smooth finish. I can taste the coffee, but it's not overpowering or an overkill. I usually get my coffee with vanilla, but they don't have syrups. I feel like fancy places don't keep syrups. But it's just with a sugar and a half. It's a small, like, regular latte. And it's really good. It's really smooth. It feels light. It feels airy. And I really like this place. I think I'm going to come back for another cup. This is obviously partial to me, but they don't have syrup. So I'm going to give this coffee a solid 9 on 10. Apart from the syrups, the blend is obviously really nice. It's very light and the texture is also pretty smooth. But I definitely think I've had coffee that's been a bit smoother. So I'm going to give this a 9. 2 out of the 5 coffee shops done. Mr. Summit still in the lead with a perfect 10 on 10 score. Tomorrow, Abhi and I are going to a kind of far away place. So get ready for day number 3, a bit of a road trip. Welcome to day 3 of trying the top coffee shops around Melbourne. Today we're here in Sunshine, which is just a small little suburb outside the city. I'm really excited to try the coffee today because it's got a really cool concept, which you'll see in the next couple of clips. Let's go! So the original Crew coffee shop opened 2 years ago, and it's a really interesting concept because they've also got a barber shop within the coffee shop. The staff were really nice and friendly, and they also had vanilla, which is a plus. I'm really excited to try the coffee, so let's go. Here we go. So the coffee is good. It's very smooth, which is a plus. The vanilla is also good. But I can't taste a lot of the actual coffee, which I feel like I could in the last 2 places that I've gone to. I think I'm gonna give this one a 7 on 10. Day 3 done, got a 7 on 10. Not the best. Summit's still leading with a perfect score of 10 on 10, and I don't see that being broken anytime soon. But tomorrow for day 4, we have a surprise. Abhi's picked a coffee shop for me. You don't know where it is, I don't know where it is. So let's just go for day 4. Welcome to day 4 of trying the top coffee shops around Melbourne. Today, Abhi has a surprise for me, and it's somewhere in South Melbourne Market. I've heard it's really good. Day 4, let's go. So Code Black Coffee is an Australian born and based brand. It opened way back in 2009 and has had major success over the years. It's got about 9 cafes, 9 stores all over Melbourne. And the main thing that they follow is being sustainable. So they try and promote good coffee making practices, and they're just an amazing brand and they're a well-known brand, and I'm really excited to try their coffee. First sip, here we go. That's good. That is good coffee. It hasn't got any vanilla because they don't have any syrup. And fun fact, they actually source their sugar from Costa Rica. It's a special kind of sugar called dulce sugar. So that's quite interesting. Overall, the coffee is really good. It's really smooth and it feels light, and I can actually taste the coffee and the blend of sugar. Neither the sugar or the coffee are kind of overpowering each other. You can really taste the quality of the coffee, and it tastes like high quality coffee. It's really good. I'm gonna give this a solid 8 on 10. So that ends day 4. Here are the scores tallied up on the screen. Great choice by Abhi, I must say. But tomorrow we have our last and final coffee shop. Close to my home, close to my heart, Glen Huntly. Here we go. Welcome to the final day of trying the top coffee shops around Melbourne. Today we're here in Glen Huntly trying a coffee shop that's really close to my heart. I've been coming here for about a year now and I absolutely love their coffee. Day 5, here we go. I'm here at Major Mitchell in Glen Huntly, and it's a coffee shop that's really special to me because I've been coming here for almost a year now, and I just love the vibe of the place. It's so cute and it's so pink, and it's a delight to sit in. I come here and I sit and I work with my friends, and I just spend a lot of time here, and it's a really peaceful kind of zen place to sit at and work. And what's really interesting about this place, which I didn't even know it actually has a connection to me, is that the owner of this coffee shop has a branch of the coffee blend that she's made in Dubai. She sells the coffee blend in Dubai, which is insane to me. So the owner of the shop, Katie, has actually had experience in the coffee industry for over 20 years now, and the blend that they serve here is called Dali Street, and it's a special blend that's only served here. and it's 100% Arabica beans. And Katie also has branches of this Dali Street coffee in Dubai and Singapore, like I mentioned before. So let's try the coffee and let's rate it. It's really good coffee, and they don't have any syrups. Like I said, the fancy ones don't. But it's really nice. The Arabica beans, I can taste the difference from the other coffees that I've tried. Arabica has a very a rough texture. So while the coffee is smooth, you can still taste the harshness of the Arabica beans. I absolutely love this coffee. I'm going to give it a 9 on 10. Just one missing because of the vanilla. So that brings us to the end of our lovely caffeine journey. My God, where all we've gone. We started in South Bank, and then we went to Albert Park, and then we went all the way to Sunshine, and then we came back to South Melbourne, and then we ended in my home suburb, which is Glen Huntly. I had so much fun. A huge shout out to Mr. Summit for giving us a discount code for all you wonderful people to use. TMS50. Only the first 10 people who use that code get that discount. So run and make sure to try out their coffee. It was by far the best. They have the leading score. But in the meantime, here are the other scores. Let me know if there are any other coffee shops you want me to try. Comment them down below, and we might make another one of these wonderful coffee journey videos. A big shout out to my amazing boyfriend for filming all of this. He's behind the camera, and as he would say, make sure to do the good stuff for the good stuff. Follow us on our Instagram, TikTok. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and purchase a membership, please. Turn on the notification bell, and to end it all, don't forget, we're here for you today,
Tomorrow,
and every day after that. Bye!